Okay. Let's do some makeup. Oh God. Oh God. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Oh, yep, that's right. That's my nose. That's my head. Oh, You're gonna get it on my shirt. No, man. I can't believe you asked me out. I mean, you just go, oh God, gosh darn hot. Oh, look, purple eyeshadow. Great color. Almost. Oh, yeah. Woo, aren't I sexy? One sexy beast. That was my nose. I just hit my nose. What do I need next? Let's see. I'm gonna take some of this. What's it called? Wait, hold on. Yeah, I can't read it. Some of this face illuminator. Oh, yum. Oh my God. Oh, thank you. Oh, maybe it smells funny. Oh, I'm just so gosh darn beautiful. Oh, yeah. Work it. Oh, that feels so good. Woo. Yum. I mean, this guy, oh, it's in my hair. This guy is just so gosh darn cute. So cute. Like, oh, can't believe he asked me out. Oh God, it's too far. That's way more. Out of my mouth. I broke my lipstick. Wow. I think I'm beauty queen. Oh, no, May. So my mouth. Oh my cute. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's time to And now, last but not least, my mascara. Close the eye. Oh, that's great. They're all flippy and stuff.